I'm Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. Today we actually have the Buffalo Bourbon BBQ Sauce going to be cooking in this cast iron over on the grill. We're going to be making some charred salsa verde that's actually going to be cooked on the grill. And then we're going to have a great cilantro lime cream sauce. So let's just jump right in. So we're going to start out with the Buffalo Trace BBQ Sauce. We're going to put it in this cast iron. We're going to start out with some ketchup. A little bit more ketchup as well. Ketchup is a really good base for barbecue sauce. For anybody that wants to do it really quick, really easy, and get a lot of flavor. Next, we're gonna add some Dijon mustard. This is gonna add a little bit of zest and zing to our barbecue sauce. Add some brown sugar. And just keep everything really, really nice. A little bit of liquid with our apple cider vinegar, add a bit of tartness into the flavor of the sauce. And next, we're gonna add a little bit of Buffalo Trace. This is gonna give it a little bit more sweetness, but all that flavor of bourbon that we all love. So I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit and get it ready to go. And then we're gonna add this onto the fire. All right, so we have the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce on. It's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to really simmer and start to thicken up. All right, so the last thing that we need to do to the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce, we need to add a little bit of honey and a little bit of kick with some hot sauce. We're just gonna stir this around and let it continue to cook for a couple more minutes and we'll be done.